Hi, my name is Javier Colon Rios. I'm one of the film teachers here at ISSOS. As teachers, the most important thing that we do is to try to figure out what story the student wants to tell. Try to figure out what, as a student, they have inside of them that they have to somehow show the world. From early on in the class, we ask them, who are you? What do you like? What do you don't like? And we try to, for them as a team, to become aware of each other so they can start telling their stories. During the 3 weeks that the film class lasts, we do some exercise about character development, how to tell stories, camera workshops, sound workshops, editing workshops, which basically giving an assignment or an exercise for each of the steps that they have to learn to be able to make the film. I think ISSOS is becoming a big part of this student's life because they are really making these students in some kind of global citizens. You will get all these students from all different parts of the world and put them in a class and have them work together with different culture, different ideas, different views of the world. And somehow they became one. And it's impressive how we can see the students change week after week and becoming someone better. Even after ISSOS, when they actually graduate from the school, you see them all the social media, 5 years, 10 years, how they get to reunite each other and became an international family. So it's amazing to see, and it's amazing to be part of it. When you see the film at the end of the credit night, it's a powerful moment. It's for us as teachers, we feel so proud to see their work, and even more to be able to see them seeing their work, to actually show them basically everything is possible, and if you want to tell a story, you can.
My elective was film, and yesterday we showed our film off to the entire school, or the entire summer camp, and I got some good feedback from it, so that was a massive ego boost.
So I think ISSOS is actually doing something so amazing and such a great experience for everything. And I wish I was a kid so I could actually experience for myself. And it's silly, but at the same time it's very true. When they say ISSOS is the experience of a lifetime, it actually is. And I think these students are actually so lucky to have the opportunity to actually be here, and us teachers are even more lucky to be part of it.